In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video in GoDaddy Website Builder. We'll add a YouTube video to your GoDaddy site using the built-in video section and a simple link, so you don't need any code. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy, then open the official GoDaddy website and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile or username, then choose My Products. From there, find the website you want to work on and click it to open the Website Builder editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page area where you want your video to appear. Hover near an existing section until you see the plus icon to add a new section, then click the plus sign. In the Add Section panel, choose the Audio and Video category, and then select Video. Pick the layout called Single Video with Featured Content. This option places your video alongside space for a headline and supporting text, which is great for context or a short description. Next, in the section Settings, choose Import from URL. We'll grab the YouTube link now. Open the YouTube video you want to insert in a new browser tab. Under the video player, click Share, then click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Using the share link helps avoid extra tracking parameters, and it's typically the cleanest version of the URL. Make sure the video on YouTube is public or unlisted. Private videos won't display for your site visitors. Head back to the GoDaddy editor and paste that link into the video URL field. After a moment, you should see a preview load right in the editor. If you don't, double-check that the link is complete and that it points to the main watch page or the u2.b short link. When the preview looks good, click Done to save the section to your page. At this point, your YouTube video is embedded. You can move the section up or down the page to adjust its placement, and you can fine-tune the surrounding text and heading to match your brand voice. Remember that playback controls like volume and captions come from YouTube, and most browsers block autoplay with sound, so visitors will press play themselves. If the video still doesn't appear, re-verify the URL and the video's visibility on YouTube and confirm you selected Import from URL in the section Settings. That's it. Your GoDaddy site now features your YouTube video ready for your audience to watch.